Hey, welcome. Started another little project here. Uh, Let me show you what I'm working on. I've got these benches here that we started painting with brush, and as you can see here, maybe the brush just wouldn't cover. The arms here are like a fiberglass material, and the brush we went over several times just would not cover it all. See a lot of missed places. This is what the benches looked like before we painted them. You can see the arms are kind of a fiberglass material. I've had these quite some time, and my wife decided she wanted to paint them red. I ordered from eBay one of these. They're kind of like a vacuum cleaner where it's using the blowing part to blow the paint on. These have been around for several years. This is a kind of a rip-off version from China on eBay. The original units that work this way, they're around $200, but we thought we'd give this one a try. It was $35 on eBay, and I thought I'd kind of use it, do a little review on it, see if it's any good. Okay, let's open it up here. Looks like we got the hose for the air. There's the manual. And here is the motor blower. Supplies the air for it. Here's the spray gun. Some of these on eBay have got a plastic paint tank. It looks like the little thing that holds your paint gun. That's all that's in the box. I think that's used to get your paint the right consistency. There's a little shoulder holder. Okay. The way it said, you could take that nozzle and turn it horizontal or vertical, depending on how you wanted to spray the paint. I guess I'll read the instructions here. Here's the unit all put together. This is the you dip this down in your paint, and then for just water-based paint, you count the drips that drip out of this when it's completely full. It should be somewhere between 30 and 50 drips. And if you get that, if you don't, then you have to thin it down until you get that many drips. Let's see. I don't even know if I need this thing for your shoulder or not. We'll wait about that. But there it is. We'll give it a try. Hey, it's been a few days, and I have you look out here. There's the benches. That's with a brush coat on it. But the brush didn't do a real good job. So I'm going to take that sprayer and go over it again with the sprayer and see how it works. Okay, we brought the branches inside out of the hot sun. This is my son. He's a professional painter, so he's going to help me out here until we get the mixture right. This is house paint, so we got to get it the right texture so we'll be able to spray it. There's one way there it'll fall off.
Hot?
Huh?
It's hot.
Getting hot?
Yeah.
Well, there ain't nothing there to get hot, are there?
The pump's making the air real hot.
Well, it's just hot because it's hot in here, I guess. It's leaking too. Your lead ain't filled on to it. Your lead's not on. I think it's blowing it the wrong direction and blowing it out of the top of it. All the instructions show that it goes on the left and use a rag. It's supposed to be blowing it out the other side.
Right.
See how much it dropped on the... Yeah, all the pictures in here show it going in the bottom, and that does make sense, you know.
But tip won't move. I had that thing all the way off. Well, see, usually they spin. This is preset.
Well, you can do it a quarter turn and make a circle. And you got horizontal and vertical. Adjusting the spray gun. Yeah, that's just the vertical and horizontal. Spraying technique, you know all that.
Almost like a bag or something. See, it's like a thing that's supposed. See, it's got these little things here, like something should go up and couple around that, but it doesn't have anything. Is there anything else that come with it?
No, other than the little cup, you know, to do the measuring with and the strap. That's all. Now I noticed that when I put them together now, on the motor it does lock in, but I noticed that the other one didn't.
See? See that big old thing?
No, just like on this end, but it ain't that way. It's just it didn't have that. I don't know. I noticed that when I put it together. Put it all kinds of pictures on it, and they're all, best I can tell. Now this one looks like it's sort of going through the top. These are going in here, no, they're going in the bottom.
See, like, this one shows.
This one's going in the top.
Yeah. That one's got it hooked on the bottom too.
So it wouldn't come out through the bottom.
No, I tried. It wouldn't come
Well,
out.
it makes sense like it would go in the top because you got to have that.
Well, it goes in and blows down and blows it back out of the hole. You know, that's what.
But they are, some of the pictures here shows it down at the bottom.
Might not have been. We might not should have thinned the paint down. I mean, it wasn't like wanting the cover just that great, honestly.
Yeah.
It was still looking really, you could see through it real good, you know. I shake it like that, it don't come out. And
Well, we run out of paint, and we had a little issue of knowing where to put the hose that was coming out of the electric motor. We all the pictures looked like you put it up in the bottom of the handle, but it wouldn't work that way. So we put it up at the top of the spray gun, and it worked. So I went through the instructions and all, and we even looked on videos and all. And the videos we saw show it going in the top, and that's the only way it would work. So we're going to get some more paint. Okay, seems to be doing a pretty good job here. The first go around. We was using a can of paint we already had, and you know, it was a little stiff, and we got it watered down a little too much. We had to go get another gallon of paint, and we had to clean the gun again. And seems to be doing all right now. I'll fill you in when we get through.
That's it. I think it's melting through that hose.
Huh. It's always something you don't think about, ain't it?
Yep.
Well, we got him painted. The paint gun, the only thing that we saw that was really bad about it is it got extremely hot, the air coming through it. You could hardly hold the paint gun, it was so hot. Now it is a hot day today, it's about 90 degrees. I don't know, you wouldn't think the air would be hotter, but it was hotter than the temperature. Couldn't hardly hold it. It was so hot. Anyway, we got her done, and we got her done with this little $35 air paint gun.